The home page in Apple Reminders on the iPhone is divided into 3 sections. From the top, you have a section for your pinned and smart lists. On this iPhone, I only have my pinned lists. These are the lists I'm working on every day. I removed all the default smart lists that come with the app because they're not very useful for my work. Let's have a look at them for a sec. You can choose to show or hide them from the home page. There's a new list I want to pin, so it shows at the top of my screen. Let's do that real quick. Now I have 4 pinned lists. You can move these around if you like. The second section, labeled My Lists, contains your folders and their groups. And the third and final section is for your tags. It is the only section you can collapse. Tapping a list then shows you the tasks in that list.